Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna walk you through on how to change iPhone Bluetooth name. So if you want to edit or change your iPhone Bluetooth name, here is a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your iPhone, then scroll down to the Bluetooth section, tap on the Bluetooth section, then when you check the key text under the Bluetooth activation right here, you see that this iPhone is discoverable as normal while Bluetooth settings is open. So that is to say, whenever the Bluetooth for this phone is enabled, the Bluetooth for this phone will be discoverable under the name called Neymar, and that's it. And checking in the option, there's no specific option right here where you can customize your Bluetooth name. But for you to be able to do that, this is what you have to do. Just go back to the settings, then scroll down a little bit, tap on general, then tap on about. So under the about, then tap on name. Then from here you can now edit the previous name to another new name that you want. So in this video I'm just going to change this to Neymar's iPhone. So I'm just going to add apostrophe S, then add iPhone. Then I'm just going to tap on down on the keyboard. Then you can see the name has been changed to Neymar's iPhone. Then go back to the Bluetooth section for you to confirm the name. Then scroll back to the Bluetooth section. Then once you check the name right here, which is this phone is discoverable as Neymar's iPhone while Bluetooth settings is open. And that is how you can change Bluetooth name on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.